Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Plain text emails are basic messages that contain only letters and numbers without any special formatting. HTML emails allow you to use different fonts, colors, images, and clickable buttons to make your messages look professional. Most modern email services use HTML by default, but sometimes the settings get changed to plain text accidentally. To change this in Gmail, start by clicking the Compose button to open a new message window. Look at the bottom right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots for more options. If you see a checkmark next to plain text mode, click it once to disable that setting. You will immediately see a formatting bar appear at the bottom of your message. For a permanent change in Outlook, go to the File tab and select Options. Click on the Mail category and look for the Compose Messages section. Change the drop-down menu from plain text to HTML and click the OK button at the bottom. If you use a mobile app, look for a symbol that looks like a capital letter A with a pen next to it. Tapping this icon usually reveals all your HTML formatting tools like bolding and underlining. Using HTML is essential for creating brand identity and making your links easy to click. It allows you to embed high-quality images directly into the body of your text. Always double-check your signature settings to ensure they are not forcing your emails back into plain text mode. This simple adjustment ensures your communication looks polished and modern for every recipient you contact. You are now ready to send great email.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.